Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Anything in life, the most important aspect is attitude. Attitude is very important. How is your attitude for different situations? Attitude matters. Some people will tell it is half empty. Some people will tell it's half full. So what is your attitude for the situation will determine. In your preparation, there will be your friends who will be telling that you are unsuitable for this exam, you are not at all fit for this exam, or within the family also some people will tell this is not cup of our job, you should not try this exam. Or within the family also sometimes there will be conflict with respect to the family members, wife and husband, or between the parents and the children. So in all these issues, if you want to come out of these problems, if you want to come out of the conflicts, the only solution is attitude. If you are working, if you want to establish yourself, if you want to come out with a startup, people will not allow to grow you, they will press you, they will push you, but still what is your attitude? How positive you are taking the things? How better you are seeing the life? How better you are seeing the future? That matters. Anything, not only for civil services, anything in your life, the attitude matters. You should have a positive attitude. You should have that guts to face any consequence. That is also attitude. Without attitude, you can't go anywhere. 10th class exam also you cannot clear if you don't have the attitude. A small child, he cannot walk on two legs if the child doesn't have the attitude. If the child doesn't try, if stop trying, trying is also attitude. Anything, everything in life, it depends upon the attitude. A right attitude we need to have. So upcoming 2020 prelims, you should be positive in your October 4th examination. Be very confident, feel yourself, you read everything, yes, go and write the exam. Be with a positive attitude. Aspirants who are aspiring for 2021, yes, I can crack this exam. This is one of the exam like any other exam, but required some attention, required some meticulous care. That you should have in your mind. Attitude. I am seeing it as half full. Some people are seeing it as half empty. No, you should have the attitude of, yes, of the full hai, of the hai pani, of water is there, what I want more? Nothing. So that with what you had, you can crack it. Anything in the life. So my dear friends, I hope you will have the lot of positive attitude need to be maintained. You should maintain and you have to maintain for your UPSC examination. Thank you.